Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we are top of what is looking like the new channel, and pretty much just put your levels in or your trend lines in like that. So that's top of channel, bottom of channel. Oscillators are grouping to the upside as well. A little bit skeptical about jumping in long up at the top here. We obviously want to wait for a pullback. Closest pullback that we can see at the moment is 44.31. Now if we can just cycle through the lower time frames, you'll see there is another level, and that's kind of roughly where we are at the moment, which is that previous swing high. And then obviously there is the structure here. You can see quite a bit of interaction at these two areas. So that is 44.56 and 44.68. So that's kind of the structure that we have. And if you drop down to the hour, you'll start seeing a little bit of how do I put it, a bit of a reversal structure forming. So we have firstly a trend line here, and you can see we gapped down below it this morning, and now we're just sort of hovering along it at the moment, and that's obviously top of range. So I would be looking somewhere in the area of 44.56. That's the first area that I'd be paying attention to. If that breaks, then you do have a couple of other bits of structure. There's a little bit of structure as well on the hour. That's 44.47, and then pretty much down here at 44.31. Now 44.31 would basically take out Friday's gains. I don't think that's going to materialize. So more than likely, looking at this 44.56 area, one thing that you're going to need to do is get on the 15-minute and pay attention on the 15-minute. Bear in mind that you've had a bit of a gap down. So structure, you can see not much changes on the 15-minute. You've got so the level where we are now, 44.68, and then you have 44.56. Well, those two look like they're the best opportunities. Worst case scenario, you're looking at 44.47. So earnings season is upon us, and last week kicked off the first from Wednesday to Friday with some really good results. So yep, is that a sign of more to come this week, which is basically going to drive these markets higher at this stage? So yeah, nothing else we can add to this. Looking for the pullback, looking for opportunities to buy. Just be very wary of buying at this level, especially since we are top of the channel, or we have a trend line here. So expect either sideways along the trend line, or expect a bit of a pullback. I'd prefer a much deeper pullback, but I don't think you're going to get that. Sort of somewhere in this zone, somewhere between 44.56 and 44.68, and then look for an opportunity to buy back into this. Anyway, that's kind of my view on the S&P this morning. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.